Okay, welcome guys. It's back to another channel on a brand new game I downloaded. Let's play Airport Security Guard right now. Let's do it. Okay, let's get on here. Let's get the airport ready. Okay guys, I played before the video. Multiplayer, single player. I'm gonna go with multiplayer this time.
What's up, you guys?
Okay, I'm gonna be with other people. Hi, dude.
Thanks, officer.
Hey, dude. I see you over there.
I appreciate what you do. It must be tough dealing with stressed passengers.
I've never done multiplayer before. Like this.
I'm excited. First time flying in years. I understand. Just doing your job. You caught me. It's just a souvenir.
Football.
Nothing dangerous, I promise.
Football. Nope. Here, give me that. I'm throwing it at you. I said I'm throwing it
Easy
at
there,
you.
officer. That was quite a hit.
Yeah. It was quite a hit. Now you better get out of here.
Easy peasy. See you next time. Curiosity.
There, take your ball.
I understand, just doing your job.
I can't fucking listen to this. Mä en niinku niin säisti kenestä on Markon. Odotan.
Yes, that's my lucky charm. Always carry it with me.
Turhaan kiitos kaavaa.
Is that really necessary?
Turhaan rais mut nainen.
Hey, no hard feelings, right? That's just part of the job.
Sitten.
I'll smack you one more time. Ooh. Yeah, I don't got a bingo, but
Okay, I get it. Can we not do that again?
yeah, definitely not. I'm definitely not gonna do.
That was
Ha ha!
I deserve that.
Look at him, guys. No, but smack you
Okay, I
in
get
the
it.
face
Easy
again.
peasy. See you next time.
Come on. You scared?
I understand. It's doing your job.
Yeah, I saw something over here.
Yes, that's my lucky charm. Always carry it with me.
A badge.
Awesome. Now onto my flight. Have a
Is
great
there
day.
something else?
Okei.
Okay.
Ouch. That was unexpected. Did I deserve
Wow,
that?
bro.
Yeah, you did.
That was unexpected.
Mä
Did I deserve that?
Ei mä
What's
rankin mä varsin kiinni.
Thanks for
Security
keeping
rankin.
everything
No. Get out. I got 10 more seconds.
Sä näet liiga paljon nagu
Good vibes, of course. Take your time. Yes, that's my lucky charm. Always carry it with me.
Okay. We gonna win. Do I actually need to walk to get more places?
Nigga failed.
No, stop. Nah, dude, you failed. Oh, I feel bad for you. I'm gonna bite this. Okay, sorry guys.
Pulida vaikseid lapsi ju.
Hey you! Can you guys stop saying stuff? I'm trying to record a video right
Shut
here.
the fuck up!
How do you guys get those? Are they free now?
Security checks always make me
Security checks always make me sweat. Totally normal, right?
If you're wrong, if you have a single
Why are you
item on
looking
you,
at? Well,
Is it supposed to beep like that? It's just a joke gift. I didn't think it would show up.
Listen, if there's something weird in there, it's not mine.
yeah, I said if you're
Is that real? It looks real.
yo, is that fuck? Is that good? Good.
yeah, of course it's real.
I swear I didn't mean to cause.
Now get out. Now you're the.
Oh,
Can I at least call someone? This can't be right.
Sure, I guess.
karmas on teisi õnnesid
I'll hit
rünnakas, ei
you.
taga.
What the Sigma is that?
Yeah, just another day, right? Nothing to see here.
aga ma,
Is it supposed to be? I can explain. I didn't know it was still in my
Donut.
pocket.
The sword.
I swear I didn't mean to cause trouble.
Go. Oh my god.
I was.
All right. Just take it easy.
Oh,
Is that real? It looks real.
Well, guys, if you just my bed,
I mean, thanks.
yeah, get out of here. Gotta do one more smack.
Ow! Okay, I give up!
Come here, dude.
Ow! Okay. Standing still is my last defense. Please don't make. Oh man, this is bad. This is really bad.
Get out of here. No, bro's sweating. I thought he was crying. Well, he might be.
Is it supposed to beep like that?
Yes. You want me to smack you?
No.
It's just a joke gift. I didn't think it would show up.
Okay.
Now
careful,
you
there might be
get a right.
delicate
Yeah. Now we gotta do a taste.
Is that real? It looks real.
Give me this. Give me this.
Please don't hit me again. I learned my lesson.
Oh my god, dude!
Oh my god,
man, this is
pizza
not going
basically.
Come on, get out of there! Get out of here!
Why are you beating her up? God!
What if I just sit down here quietly
Sit
forever?
tired of you. I need
This is gonna happen. If you,
What up?
yeah, that's what I thought. I'm Spider-Man with a taser.
Yeah, that
That
guy,
talked me to my soul, I
alligator,
surrendered.
he beats up others. I don't really know.
Look, I think I left my belt on. Or maybe it's the coins?
Why is your hair
Oh my
detached,
God,
sir? Sir, why is your hair detached from your head? What?
I
Are
can
you
explain.
always
I
hurting
didn't know it was still in my
Okay.
pocket.
Yo, what the fuck?
That was security.
Okay, guys,
Yo,
One
I'm
more.
Is
beat
that
you
real?
up.
It looks real.
yes,
Oh no, that really hurt. Is this legal?
yeah, it's
no, you
real.
don't.
Get out.
What the freely?
Go fast.
Guys, bye. My video's about to end. It's
One,
also
brother.
my...
Okay, I get it. No sun.
Do you have drug on you? I don't know, probably not.